Yeah. TDot.
Niggas slaving for by the wages. Back to business on all the bankers. Back to business on all the bankers.
TDot.
I'ma get rings playing for my team. When the game in, I'ma have to leave. My cuss is hot like a canopy. Y'all niggas stank like a can of weed. I'ma just float like a pussy bleed. Niggas so sick, I done started wheezing. I'm allergic to pigs, I done started sneezing. You roll with dicks like a flippin' drinking. You blowin' smoke, I can hear the bees. Pass on that nigga like he amazing. Running like Sonic, I'm super speeding. Gold in my mouth, so I'm super cheesing. Don't hold me down and you straight deleted. You niggas pussy, y'all probably pleasing. You got me yawning about how you sleeping. Cause it's so high that I'm about to teach you. Cause it's so high that it's shuttle reaching. He hating niggas, I'm finna bleach him. Eat up the beat, only time I'm feasting. Hungry, my nigga, my tummy screaming. You ain't gon' bust, nigga, why you keep it? I so don't fuck them my back to people. Y'all only sharing that clap with people. You just an actor like Jim Caviezel. You hating niggas like Tarantino. You just be following silly niggas. You Michael Jackson, you Tito. That's money low, I ain't even gonna eat em. Just call me daddy, you me ho. High class, I'm teaching in a helo. Gas money low, give me CeeLo. Only got 10 for the Dino.
That nigga borderline trash, fellas.
Wipe them boogers out your nose, nigga. Wipe them boogers out your nose, nigga.